Hello, my fellow YouTubers. So I got this capacitor charged up, and I want you to notice the reaction. When I take this piece of plastic here, it's going to go to the ball, charge itself up, and aim itself back at my body, actually, because I must be the next thing in residence with it, or that has a capacitance built about itself. So you just got to see this. This is pretty interesting stuff. So, all right. So look, it just shot it at me. Okay. So let's do it again. So hold my finger out, and you'll see that once the charge, well, it came back to my finger. Once the charge release is full, it'll release, and it'll go. See, look, now watch. It's going to aim itself at me. I just caught it. It'll aim itself at me, and then even if it comes in from the side, you gotta let the piece charge up. There we go. Look, it's aiming. It's going to aim. Just so, in regards to what's really going on scientifically, is that I become a resonant object with air in between us that's so sensitive to me and to the capacitor here. And what we have is a positive and a negative charge with a dielectric in the middle. We got this piece of plastic that's shaped like tinsel, but it's really plastic. And it still got me thinking about if you were going to do levitation and see if we can get it to charge and then pull itself and then hold itself up and wait. Let's see. There it goes. Oh, it shot it back at me. Look, it's turning towards the camera. Actually, towards me too, because I'm right here on the side of the camera. It's like it's seeking out the capacitance, I believe, in my body. And then it should just like want to just charge and release at me. You see that? That's crazy strange. Ooh. That was a little overfall, a little overfill. All right, let's go back to this. Nice charge on it. It will release itself and go over to the ball. I believe when it's filled with a charge of the opposite of what the ball is. Like it's probably on my body soaking off negative energy. There it is, it just released. So it'll have an attraction about it. Then all of a sudden it charges up with the dominant charge positive. Then it bounces it off of it. Why? Because it's the same charge. So that makes a lot of sense how this works. In regards to that, I'm fascinated by the static because it's got me thinking the whole process that nature does with the clouds and with the different pressure, um, different pressure of the atmosphere versus the ground pressure, low pressure, high pressure. Um, Static seems to be apparent in materials when it's cold and dry out. Moisture dampens the static, so it's the yin and yang oscillation. The one's one wall and one's the other side of the wall, because here's your static, here's your moisture, and then also moisture just comes and takes over the area, and the static sort of is non-existing. I will tell you that, non-existing. So yeah, so there's a lot here. There's so much left here. As a business person, I would say there's a lot of equity left on the table here. Meaning, there's a lot of things we're not doing with this that could be done. You can see that it was seeking my, I'm going to say capacitance, because what else do you have in your body? You got iron, you got a charge built up because of the iron, because of the tissue, the mass of the of the skin and the muscle tissue. You gain resistance, so you also have capacitance built up in these muscle areas that are layers. 7 layers, baby. Here's your 7 to Tesla's 369. He said, huh? So 7. All right, you guys. Peace out.